Stay safe on a dark and stormy evening with these Halloween security tips from Bold. Ghouls and goblins are afoot, so don't forget to lock all your doors and windows. Keep all your lights on, both inside and outside your home. Clear your home of any tripping hazards, like ice or leaves. Put any valuables inside your garage and secure the door. Candles look nice, but they're a fire hazard, so light your lanterns with battery power. Lastly, keep all your animal friends indoors and secured. Have a safe and spooky Halloween!